You are probably interested in making a big change in your life. Today, I am going to talk about something that has transformed my life and the lives of so many others, using affiliate marketing to quit your 9 to 5 job and finally create a life you can control. I know that sounds like a big promise, but stick with me. I am going to break it down into real steps and explain how this transformation actually happens. So, if you are tired of trading your time for money and feeling stuck in your daily grind, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about financial freedom. This is one of the main reasons people turn into affiliate marketing. Financial freedom means earning money in a way that doesn't rely solely on your job. Instead, you are creating a system that makes money for you even while you are sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your family. Imagine this: while you are working your regular job, you start earning passive income through affiliate marketing. Little by little, you build a new income stream, and eventually, that income stream can replace or at least supplement what you are making from your 9 to 5 job. That is where the freedom starts. You can work because you want to and not because you have to. Now, let's talk about flexibility. I know that for many of you, the idea of working from anywhere or setting your own schedule is a huge appeal. With affiliate marketing, there is no rigid office schedule, no set working hours. You are not chained to a desk from 9 to 5. Instead, you are in control of when and where you work. This kind of flexibility gives you more time for things that matter, whether it's spending time with your family, traveling, or just having time for yourself. You get to build your life around what is important to you, not around what your job demands. Building skills that empowers you. Now let's talk about the big one, skills. When you start learning affiliate marketing, you are gaining valuable skills that's empowering. These aren't just skills for affiliate marketing, these are skills for the entire digital world. You are learning about marketing, social media, content creation, SEO, audience building. The list goes on and on. The great thing about these skills is that they stay with you for the rest of your life. And if you ever decide to expand beyond affiliate marketing, these skills can open doors to other digital business opportunities. You are becoming someone who can thrive in the online world, which means you are never going to be stuck again. This is real power. Shifting from employee to entrepreneur. Now, this is a transformation that takes some mindset work. When you are used to working a 9 to 5, it can feel safe because the paycheck is steady. But in affiliate marketing, you are stepping into a new role, that of an entrepreneur. You are learning to rely on yourself, to take calculated risk, and to run your own business. This shift from employee to entrepreneur builds resilience, creativity, and independence. It's about knowing that you are in control of your success. And trust me, that sense of control of your life is incredibly fulfilling. And finally, there is the wealth building potential. With affiliate marketing, you are not limited to a fixed salary. Your income grows as your effort and skills grows. And if you keep building and scaling, you can achieve financial goals you never thought possible. Imagine not just having enough to cover expenses, but having extra money for investment, saving, and even early retirement. This is the long-term potential of affiliate marketing, to build real wealth that works for you beyond a monthly paycheck. So, to wrap it up, affiliate marketing is more than just a side hustle. It's a pathway to financial freedom, flexibility, skills mastery, a business owner mindset, and a long-term wealth building. It's about creating the life that you want and being in control of your future. Now, if this sounds exciting to you, I want you to take the first step and hit that subscribe button. Let's get started on this journey together. Drop a comment if you are ready to take control of your life, and let me know where you are at in this journey. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.